Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel We and Homeopathy. So as you know, I've started a Materia Medica series and we have begun with Zincum Metallicum. You have seen objective pointers to Zincum Met in part 1. You have seen part 1 of Zincum Met in the second video. So now we shall continue with the mind of Zincum Metallicum. In the previous video, we saw some of the pointers as regards the mentals are concerned. We also saw an important trait. The head rules the heart. The rubric being emotions predominated by intellect. Very few remedies are listed against this rubric, and Zincum being one of the remedies, though only for one grade, but Zincum is there in in a group of very few remedies. So what makes Zincum different from other remedies listed against this rubric, as we have seen in previous video? They feel that they need to be very intellectual and they need to be successful as far as the intellectual aspect is concerned. So they suppress their emotions, and so the repressed emotion can cause somnambulism, and the suppressed emotion can cause trembling and weakness. Suppressed anger particularly can cause trembling and weakness. Repressed emotion can cause somnambulism. Head rules the heart. Emotions are predominated by intellect. They feel that they need to be very intellectual and they need to be very successful as far as the intellectual aspect is concerned, which creates a constant tension, which creates a constant pressure. There's another factor which creates a constant pressure. We'll see that later. So there is a sort of anticipatory anxiety and fear of failure in Zincum, because they feel the need to achieve as far as the intellectual aspect is concerned. So you see anticipatory anxiety and fear of failure. And Zincum, one dream that is so marked in Zincum is that they will dream of failing such an exam which they have passed successfully quite long back. And Dr. Salton says that after giving Zincum, they have experienced dreams of passing that particular exam. So that trait, head rules the heart, emotions predominated by intellect, the desire to achieve and be successful in the intellectual aspect, which creates an anticipatory anxiety and fear of failure. And if at all they fail to achieve a certain goal, particularly an intellectual one, they feel as if they have committed any crime, as if they feel they'll be persecuted by that. And because of this pressure of achievement, they always feel a state of tension, and this also can create restlessness. So in the previous video, we have seen what Dr. Vijayakar sir said about Zincum Metallicum. Now we'll come to what Dr. Shankaran sir says about Zincum Metallicum. Dr. Shankaran sir says that Zincum being a metal, it has the theme of attack and defense, along with the feeling of having committed a crime. There is constant anxiety as if he or she would be arrested, and there is a fear of being arrested, and there are delusions of being pursued by, like, you have these rubrics. There are delusions of being pursued by enemies or by police. Zincum is related to cuprum, not only in the periodic table but also in symptomatology also, particularly when there are ailments from repercussed or suppressed eruptions. So, but the major differentiating factor in cuprum and Zincum is, in Zincum, the perceived threat is constant, is very continuous and persistent. In cuprum, the perceived threat is intermittent. So there is a state of alertness and a pressure in Zincum. First, either because of such perceived threat or because of the constant pressure of achievement, the anticipatory anxiety, the fear of failure. All these factors create a constant tension in the Zincum med person, and we have restlessness, which is most marked in the lower limbs, as we all know. And what I have seen, what I have said in the previous, I had asked you a question in the previous video. Why does a Zincum person repeat everything asked to him, or why does a child in particular repeats the questions before answering them, it is not out of subnormal intelligence, but it is out of a difficulty in comprehending, which is a result of neurasthenic condition. So this was, in short, this was in a nutshell the mind of Zincamet for you. So if the child of Zincamet is yet to be described, but in my Instagram handle I have made a post on the child of Zincamet, so you can have a look at that. I'll give you the details in the description. So if you have any input regarding Zincamet, you are most welcome to share your input in the comment section. If you have any question, so feel free to ask, and most importantly, like, share, comment, subscribe. Do let me know what other drugs do you want to study. So we'll continue with Zincamet as far as the physicals are concerned, the generals as well as the particulars and the clinical uses of Zincamet, and we'll proceed on to the next drug. So I hope you are liking this series and you are finding it useful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.